Remote jobs are here to stay. In this current series, we've been highlighting a lot of remote jobs and would like you to join the bus in which we are going to walk through all of these various remote jobs that might be helpful to you. So make sure that you join the channel and smash that subscribe button. Kicking things off, in this current video, I'm going to walk you 3 easy remote jobs that require little to no experience at all, and you can operate from anywhere in the world. Starting off with the virtual assistant. If you have organization skills and you're able to communicate in an effective manner, this is an easy job that could be done from anywhere in the world. Just you simply need internet connection and you need a phone. If you're able to have both, you could work with individuals, business individuals, companies to help them organize their day and their meetings and their schedules and the administrative tasks, and the pay could be quite lucrative, which is an easy one. That's why it's on the top of our list for the time being. The second key remote job that you could tackle, which is an online survey taker or online market researcher. Many companies, they need the customer's feedback, their experience about their services or their products. You can either approach the company directly or you can just simply find them online. And if you need support along the way, feel free to explore the video description because we do have career advisory services and we're going to be releasing upcoming videos, completely free videos, to help you find those jobs. So don't forget to join our channel. If you're an online survey taker, an online market researcher, it requires a bit of data analysis, how you're able to actually collect the information, provide feedback, and you're able to communicate it to the companies who are concerned with the feedback from their customers or anyone testing a beta product. Often video game companies, for example, before they release a product, they take a beta group and they test that product with them in the form of a beta prototype. They collect their feedback, they collect their insights to refine their products. That's paid. So you're going to be working as a remote beta tester or an online market survey taker or an online market researcher. And transitioning to our final key remote job for this current video. Once again, don't forget to join our channel for upcoming releases, which will surely help you supplement your professional growth and your educational growth. We're going to transition to the final one, which is a content writer. If you're not familiar with content writing, just the fact of creating articles or pieces of written content which are displayed for companies in the form of magazines, blog posts, media posts, social media posts. Companies often they tend to delegate those tasks to agencies, to freelancers. You could be a freelancer by yourself where you offer those writing services to companies, to individuals who are planning on sharing written forms of writing or written forms of content on various platforms. It could be through a newspaper, it could be through an article, it could be through a blog post, a social media post. Now you can find those openings or vacancies online for remote jobs, and we're going to walk you through how can you find those different types of remote jobs. But obviously for content writing, it requires patience and it requires linguistic skills depending on the region you're working at. If you're working with an English company, you need to be able to write properly in English with minimal grammatical mistakes and with a bit of an extensive vocabulary that you could access actually online and through dictionary. But it requires solid command of the language that you're going to be using as the medium of the communication. So for this current video, these are the top 3 remote jobs that require literally no experience whatsoever, and you can operate from anywhere in the world. Stay tuned for the upcoming releases in which we're going to be sharing more remote jobs and how can you find and land those jobs.